Welcome back, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Please hit that thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed just yet. So as you can tell by the title, we're looking at my almost daily dividends pie today. Quick little recap on last month. As you can see here on the screen, last month it was currently sat at £1,184, down 2% or 2.3%, and I had earned roughly £5 and 39 pence in dividends, and I had £3 in cash sat in there. So the almost daily dividends pie, how it works is it's 50 companies in there, and pretty much it averages out that you earn dividends every day throughout the year. So you might get paid like 7 dividends in one day, but that's 7 dividends like over the year, it averages out to pretty much almost a dividend payment every day. So that's how it works. You need to basically have £50 in cash for it to auto invest. So it needs a minimum of £1 on each company to reinvest in each share pretty much. But this is just a look at last year's. Now we're going to jump over and look at what it's looking like today, right now. So here we are here. This is up to date for today. Currently sat at £1,723. Just invested a large amount of money and we're up 1%. So we're currently, it's since last month, it's gone up by about 3%, I'd say. Excuse me. And we've earned a total of £11.74. So pretty much double from last month. Last month was like £5. This month we've pretty much added that back onto it. So each month we're looking at least £5 reinvested, something like that. And we currently got 54 pence in there. We did have a lot more, but obviously a couple of days ago YouTube paid out. I invested that, so that's what reinvested this. This come out probably yesterday, day before, the last 2 days. So how this works, and for myself, I'm basically the only thing investing in this is the money I earn from social media. So from YouTube, so videos like this, the more likes and comments you guys put, the quicker we can see this grow and the more results we'll get. So please leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, do what you gotta do. The more videos or likes and views these videos get, the more I can invest into this and the better results we can see over the year. But the goal is to get it to £100,000 as quick as possible. And like I said, this can only happen with you guys watching my videos. So please go do that. Let's jump into the holdings. So the companies that are in the pie, like I said, there's 50 companies. Apple, Realty Income, Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's, JP Morgan, British American Tobacco, Lowe's, Walmart, Main Street Capital, Starbucks, Prospect Capital, Stag. So some big companies that always pay out. A lot of them are in green, that's why the pie is currently up. So it's looking pretty decent so far. But yeah, that's pretty much my almost daily dividends pie. Nice short video just to give you a look into this, an update on the pie last month, what it looked like. We're currently up 3%. That's what I was going to do, jump over to the old YouTube. So yeah, this is one of my channels. Last month it says £376. We only got 330, so it paid out 330. I haven't really posted on this channel in a while. Just been doing shorts. Most of this video is from shorts. July is currently looking decent as well. So £330 I invested 2-3 days ago. For this pie, I've basically done it for £50 a month, and this is what it would look like if I invested £50 a month for the next 8 years. But obviously this month I invested £330, so that is pretty much what, 6 months. So I've done 6 months investing in 1 month. So if I can keep that average between 4 and 6 months each month, then obviously this is gonna be a lot different and it'll be a lot higher. But this is basically just based off investing £50 a month, which is the minimum really to invest into this pie after 8 years, and that's what it'd be worth. But like I said, I'm investing a lot more than that each month. So yeah, like I said, this pie it's just a challenge. See how it goes. Investing the money I earn from social media only, trying to get this to £100,000 as quick as possible. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please hit that like button and also subscribe for more of these videos coming out in the future.